Kind of.
You kind of got an entry fee to go to Walmart
it's
anymore.
An investment.
Well, how do you get that guy off of there? That's cool. That's fine.
I believe in you. However, I wouldn't believe in me.
Oh, it's almost there. Almost. Almost. Fight it. Fight it. And the clip broke.
I believe in magic.
Clip broke.
What clip?
The clip that holds the bottom rod on. That's fine.
Doesn't really seem like it would be very fine.
It's not. But I think I got some of these at my house in the toolbox. So for now, we're going to act like it didn't happen.
Yep.
And we'll write that on the whiteboard. I need to get one of them. Right. It was going so good.
And then
I blame it on chili dogs.
I know.
Come on.
You know, I'm not gonna lie, I'm having my own experiences back here. Kind of sat on the wire and broke it off the starters. That's fine.
You'll have that with old cars.
That's why they didn't make this a seat.
That's right. But use what you got.
You know, that's all you can do. At least you're not ornery.
At least there's so much room for activities in here.
Oh man, yeah. I'm actually in the bed, so I do have a lot of room.
Alright, that side is somewhat there.
Don't even say done because it's not done.
That's why I only said somewhat there.
You just need like a retaining one of those. Is it just like a retainer thing?
Yeah, it's like this. It's got the double barb on it.
I do not have that.
Yeah. Good thing I'm a hoarder. Not really. My wife would kill me.
Yep. So read it there. Yeah. You don't want to lose this little yabba dabba.
What is that?
Nut. Little bitty nut.
Ah.
I gotta put my electrical hat on. Yeah.
Hopefully, if I set all of this back where it was, hopefully it'll be right. Probably not, but
All we can do is hope.
oh man.
Alrighty.
What is happening? I guess lucky enough I got the side you can lay down and work at the same time. That's pretty nice.
Well, yep.
Alright. Oh yeah. Okay. Move our I think I got everything off of there to move. Close this guy up. I'm getting kind of fumy back here.
Yeah, it's the carburetor's fault, huh?
Yep. That's my excuse.
guess it would help if I grab the right size. And they're even color coordinated. I don't even have an excuse for that.
That's fine. We all can't be special.
Yep. Yep, don't worry about that.
Just a scratch.
Just paint.
Adds character.
Yeah. Speaking of character, how about Quail Man, huh?
I don't even know who that is.
What? You're Doug Funny?
Oh, yeah. Yeah,
This is
okay.
Quail Man.
Yeah. Love that show.
Do you?
I know, right?
Doesn't sound like you
Well,
love that show.
Caught me off guard. That's my excuse. Oh, I don't like where that one is. Oop, that ain't gonna work.
You know who Quail Dog is?
Yeah, Doug's dog. Whenever he's Quail Man. Am I right? Am I close?
Are you any of them?
Do I win a chili dog?
Oh my goodness, yes, yep.
We're so gonna have to go get a chili dog. Here in a
Do
little
some
bit.
fuel lines and then chili dog.
Would you believe I just undone this to move the plug wire, and I grabbed the wrong plug wire, so I moved the wrong plug wire, so now I have twice as many plug wires to move.
You better make sure they go back in the right spot.
Oh, they're in the right spot.
Alright. Fixed my mistake. How are you doing?
I got 2 carburetors installed.
Oh, man. I did. A wire.
Yes.
Good show, good show. Alrighty.
Well, oh, you got the vacuum equalizer tubes.
I think I probably should have done this beforehand.
That's going to be another geometry part right there.
I'm just going to go backwards a couple steps. It's
Just
fine.
a few. Just a few.
It's fine. It's all just practice, you know? It's all just
I
practice.
guess while you're doing that, I'm going to start hooking up fuel lines. Alrighty. Next game, who goes where?
Close you are.
So, that guy's there. Can. Nope. So, let's get this guy started. So this guy's gonna be over the top. Kinda.
It's over the top.
That was a good movie. Isn't that what that movie's called?
Have
Sylvester Stallone.
no idea.
That's like your era of movies that you like.
Sylvester Stallone?
Yeah.
What?
Like where he's an arm wrestler?
Oh, yeah.
Isn't it called Over the Top?
Probably. I like Sylvester the Cat.
Oh yeah. That's probably the best Sylvester ever.
Oh, yeah, I have these bolts.
It's not that one. Couldn't get that lucky.
Guess I just mock him up with the bolts I want to. Don't want to use these bolts, but I will.
One in. So is this like a race? Are we racing?
I hope not. We're not even doing the same project.
So?
How
I
could,
thought I was gonna win something.
how could, we're about to win a chili dog.
Okay, that makes it worth
I
it.
promise you.
We're so going to get a chili dog.
Yeah. I told you chili dogs was better.
I've only had pizza like 3 times this week. It's a lot of pizza. It's probably why I'm fat.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Just paint. Just paint.
Just paint.
Just paint.
I mean,
don't worry.
If it was me that spent hours painting that, I'd be mad.
Is it okay? You doing okay?
Wrench drop.
Don't worry about that.
It's on a blanket.
It's on a blanket.
See, we're protected back here.
It's fully protected. So
now we're
new fuel line ran to the new old stock fuel pump.
Where's that box at so they can see that?
New fuel pump. Right here.
Hopefully it's still good.
Yeah, check this out. And if it's not good, you can always return it, you know.
I wonder if they're 90-day returns.
Western Auto stores, so if it's not good, I've got some vouchers that if it's not good, they say I can return it to this Western Auto. So that's no bother there. Not worried about that. I love that. So fuel line's done, new carburetor's on, linkages on. We'll set it whenever we need to.
I guess we can.
Other than that,
that's everything we got until we go get some fuel and a chili dog.
Boom. Priorities, Jeff. Priorities.
So we will be back here shortly.
Thank you so much for watching. Appreciate it. If you like what you've seen, please like and subscribe. If you got any comments, please comment.
By all means.
Other than that, can't wait to see you on the next go around. Bye.